Hi, my name is Janel. I'm the owner of Gourmet Dinner Service and welcome to the Fancy That series, putting pizzazz on your plate. It's the how to get the most out of your meal with a minimum of fuss. Today's menu, or meal, is Salmon Chermoula. Okay, the version 2 of the Salmon Chermoula with spinach is my go-to fast and easy dinner party one, which is salmon chermoula served with roast capsicum and a lemon yogurt dressing. So what you need to do is, in preparation, you've got your spinach and you've got your salmon. We need to get some roast capsicums. Now you can either roast the capsicum yourself, which is basically about 30 minutes in the oven on a piece of foil, and then wrap it to steam it. So that you basically char the skin, pull off the skin, and then you've got your char grilled capsicum. But if you didn't want to go to all of that trouble, you can just buy the capsicum. So we've got our capsicum here, and the next job is to just quickly make the lemon yogurt. So we've just taken some good quality yogurt here. I'm going to put a bit of zest into the yogurt. So a little bit of zest. And you can put as much or as little as you like. If you like it really lemony, which is what I do, I then also just put a little extra squeeze of lemon in there. So that's fine. And then just a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of salt, a couple of twists of pepper, stir, and that's your yogurt dressing done. Now you can also add chopped chives, chopped parsley, shallots, anything. It's your dinner party, your creation. But that's ready to go. Okay, so to plate up this meal, start with some warm plates and transfer your spinach onto the plate. Then we take our roast capsicum. I allow just 2 pieces. So for one capsicum, you get 2 serves, basically, depending on the size of the capsicum. Just pop that on there on your dinner plate, and then we take the cooked fish, which is rested, and that goes on top. We take our yogurt, our lemon yogurt, and look, you can just put a little bit on the top just so it looks lovely for presentation, and if you can then transfer that to another bowl and put it on your table and serve. So easy to plate up for your guests, and very, very quick and easy for you, and looks pretty good. So now you can see how easy it is just to fancy up your meal. And look at this glorious meal, ready in minutes. You've got salmon with some acidic spinach with the lemon oil in there, a little bit of creaminess, and with the lovely zesty lemon flavour coming through, and some roast capsicums, just adding another texture component. Beautiful healthy dinner party. So we hope that you like our start of our new series, which is Fancy That, putting pizzazz on your plate. So watch out for more, they're coming soon.